Hi guys! Welcome sa SIP9. In this video ay tutuloy natin series natin on geometry. Sa video na to pag-aaralan natin kung ano ba yung congruent line segments. So congruent line segments are line segments that have the same length. Sa example natin, meron tayong dalawang segments na pareho yung length, no? Yung AB tsaka yung CD. So we say that AB is congruent to CD. And we can also write AB is congruent to CD using V notation. So yung ganito, may equal siya tapos parang merong similarity sign sa taas. AB and PQ are not congruent, so we can say that AB is not congruent to PQ, and we can also write AB is not congruent to PQ. So yun yung symbol ng congruent sa not congruent. So what's the difference between AB is congruent to CD and AB is equal to CD? Recall that AB is an actual segment. So pag meron tayong dalawang letters tapos may bar, we're actually talking about the actual segment. And AB is a length which is a number. So katulad nito, dalawang letters lang siya na walang bar. So wala siyang bar dito. Ibig sabihin yan, you are talking about the length. And when you say length, it's a number. So AB is congruent to CD is saying that the two segments will fit perfectly when superimposed. So pag binatong natin sila ng eksakto, walang lalagpas sa kaliwa, walang lalagpas sa kanan, they fit perfectly. Samantalang AB is equal to CD, you are actually equating two numbers and saying that the lengths of the two segments are equal. So let's have an example. Shown below are segment MN and segment ST and their lengths. If MN is congruent to ST, find the value of X. So congruent sila, di ba? Ibig sabihin, pareho yung length nila. So if the length of MN is 5x plus 1 and the length of ST is 36, then they are equal kasi nga congruent sila. So pwede natin equate yung kanilang lengths, no? So this is just a simple equation. So 5x plus 1 minus 1 is equal to 36 minus 1. 5x, magiging 0 na yan, yung 1 minus 1 is equal to 35, which means that x is equal to 7. So nakuha na natin yung value ng x, which is 7. Which means that 7 is the answer to the exercise. Okay, that's it. Sana ay malinaw sa atin kung ano ba ibig sabihin ng congruent. And from now on, pwede nyo nang gamitin yung symbol na yan sa mga susunod na practice exercises ninyo. At of course, if you use the symbols for proofs in your class. Maraming salamat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel. Bring your friends. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.